experience in this 4 years of journey. So please let me. It's hard to believe that we are at the finish line. 4 years just like that. And as I stand here, trying to put into words what this journey meant to me, I realized something, that college is not just about the classrooms, not about the CGPAs or canteen bills. It's about moments, the one that made us laugh, cry, grow, and sometimes get blocked on Instagram as well. Let me take you through these 3 memories that shaped my college life. The very first, that is the brotherhood. From day one, I had this friend, my partner in crime. We were in the same group from the first year to the last. Assignments, we submitted them together. Projects, we did them together. Presentations, panicked together. And daily lows. But that's what made it real. There were days we stood in the rain waiting for it to stop. Not because we didn't have umbrellas, but because it gave us the perfect excuse to skip class and even skip homes at times. We argued over the smallest things, like whether the assignment font should be Times New Roman or Arial, as if the professor was going to publish it in a journal. But through all that, we shared something priceless, that is the genuine friendship. And now, walking away from these corridors, I realize I must forget the equations from lectures, but not the laughter we shared outside them. Second one, which is the most important, and I would a moment to share. Now comes the moment where I really grew. I decided to face my fears. Fear of what? Expressing my feelings. My first ever crush confession. My first ever crush confession happened over text. Brave, right? Surprisingly, I got rejected.
Surprisingly.
But it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt. I was like, cool, at least I tried. But then came the real boss level. I confessed to someone in person. I won't take that person's name, but I confessed that face to face, heart in mind, Shakespeare level nervousness it was. It took a great courage to just put myself forward and tell what I really felt. And guess what? This time, not only did I get rejected, but I also got blocked from her social. For me, it was love. But for her, maybe it was a horror movie. But honestly, I don't regret it. Because in that moment, I stepped out of my comfort zone. I learned that being vulnerable takes courage. And heartbreak, well, it builds character. And great comedy material for speeches like this one. The last one, that is the clubs and chaos. Clubs were the heartbeat of my college life. I was a part of 2 clubs where I wasn't just a member, I was a host, a hype man. I did publicity, played games, helped organize events, got to learn a lot from them, and even managed to win a few things. Those were the days when we didn't sleep, but we smiled. The chaos, the deadlines, the adrenaline, I loved it all. I realized I had these leadership qualities in me, a voice people listened to, as you people are listening right now. And more importantly, I realized how amazing it feels to work as a team to belong. So, if I have to conclude this speech of mine, I would say that college gave me one thing for sure, and that is stories. Stories of friendship, heartbreak, hustle, and growth. And these memories, they are not just chapters, they are the soul of my journey. To my friends, mentors, the strangers who become family, and most importantly, that girl who blocked me. Thank you. You all played a part in shaping the person standing here today. As we step into a new world beyond these gates, let's not just carry degrees, let's carry stories, lessons, and laughter. Because no matter where you go or what you become, this place, these moments will always be home. Thanks a lot.
Who is she?
Thank you.
क्या बात है, आपकी स्पीच ने तो सबको इमोशनल कर दिया. नाउ आई वुड लाइक प्लीज एक्सेप्ट अ स्मॉल गिफ्ट फ्रॉम आवर साइड. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज.
आजा आजा वापस आ जा.
Now I would like to welcome Director General Sir